Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer funds from eTrade to Interactive Brokers step by step. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account on their website. Once you're in, move your cursor up to the top menu bar and hover over or click the Transfer and Pay tab. When the drop-down menu appears, click Transfer Positions. On the next screen, select Incoming Transfer. This tells Interactive Brokers that you're bringing assets in from another broker. You'll then see a region selector choose United States. Next, you'll be shown a few transfer method options. Click acats as the transfer type. This opens the acats form, which is what handles the transfer between brokers. At the top of the form, there's a drop-down to select your delivering broker. Find and click eTrade from the list. Once that's selected, scroll down to the broker information section. Here, you'll need to enter your eTrade account number, account title, account type, and tax identification number. You can find your eTrade account number on any recent statement or in your eTrade account dashboard. After filling in those details, choose whether you want a full transfer or a partial transfer. A full transfer moves everything from your eTrade account. A partial transfer lets you pick specific assets. If you go with partial, you'll see an asset selection interface where you can add stocks by symbol or QSIP and specify how many shares. Once you've made your selection, click Continue at the bottom of the form. On the signature page, type your signature into the field, then click Continue again. Interactive Brokers will email you a confirmation number. Check your inbox, grab that number, and enter it into the confirmation number field on the next screen. If the email hasn't arrived yet, there's a Resend Confirmation Number option you can click. After entering the number, you'll see a confirmation screen with a summary of your transfer request. The acats transfer usually finishes within a week, and your assets arrive in your Interactive Brokers account within 2 weeks. eTrade charges $75 for a full account transfer and $25 for a partial transfer, but that partial fee is waived if you're keeping more than $5,000 at eTrade. You can track the transfer progress in the acats transfer activity section on the Interactive Brokers platform. One thing to note, eTrade will liquidate any fractional shares and transfer them as cash. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.